What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B back with another video, man. Man, I'm back. You see, I got cone already broke down. I done took the fairing off and everything, so I'm changing the headlight on here today. And one reason that I'm changing the headlight because my brights went out on my stock headlight, and I decided to go. I'm sorry, Custom Dynamics. I'm Custom Dynamics, man. I got all of my bike. You can check my videos and everything, but I decided to go with Advanblack headlight. Here's the light here. I'm just not opening it and everything. So I decided to go with this light here. I hate it too, but because I am a custom dynamic man, but I hate to go with another light, but I'm sorry, but I had to do it. But we're gonna get to this installment, but first, man, I want to give a shout out to my boy Wood Jr., man. Dude, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you giving me a shout out on your channel, man. Man, that meant a lot, man. For real, dude, 100, dude. I appreciate you shouting me out on your channel, man, and that really, dude, you made my day, man. Just knowing that you subscribed to my channel, you saw little old me and asked folks to check me out. Hey, man, that was a blessing, dude. I appreciate you, man. And I want to give another shout out. Man, this is crazy here, man. I want to give a shout out to Carrie. I know y'all like, who is Carrie, man? Carrie from Figurati Designs, man. Y'all need to check this guy's website out. It's figuratidesigns.com. Check his website out, man, and go buy something from him. Well, what do he make, man? It's jewelry for your bike. I just said it like that. Jewelry for your bike. I got the swing arm covers for him, and he saw that I made a little video about the swing arm covers. He follows me on Instagram, and Kerry, I appreciate you, dude. I really do. And he just saw that I did a little video shouting his company. Man, Kerry, keep doing what you're doing, your wife, and I thank you for everything, man. Just shout me out, man. Man, this dude actually called me. He called me Saturday. I didn't even answer the phone. I didn't even know who he was. But then he texts me. Man, how big is that, man? He texts me, said, hey, man, this is Kerry from Figurati Design. He said, I just want to reach out and thank you for giving me a shout out. And man, I had to call him back, man. And we had a nice, decent conversation on the phone. It was great, man. So Kerry, man, I appreciate you, man. So we're going to get to the installment on this, man. The installment was easy. Everything went good. Hey, I'm excited. Hey, I'm going to show y'all what's going down right here. I got it installed. Looks like I have my keys on the back. There we go. Got it installed. That's my dim. That's my brights. And you see they working on here on my custom dynamic vent lights. And you can see the turn signal works here. And the turn signal works. Let me find it over here. And the vent light works too. So yeah, man. So I got it installed. I'm happy about it. I'm excited about it. So hey, man, y'all check out Advanblack. Advanblack, man. Y'all check their website out, man, and you might find something you like over there that you want to purchase. So yeah, man, I appreciate y'all watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna get the rest of this together, man. Y'all have a blessed day and stay safe on them tubes. Peace. Back, I just want to show you a walk around of this bike, man. Look how bright that light is, and that's on dim, y'all. That's the dim light right there, man. And that sucker is bright. Oh my God, I wish you could see it in person. But yeah, that's my bike right there, man. I'm gonna hit the brights. And check out the brights. Did y'all see how bright that got? Oh my gosh. That is crazy, man. That is crazy. But yeah, that's my bike, man. Man, I really appreciate this light, man. Yeah. So, man, y'all like, share, and subscribe to Killer B channel. Look at the bright light, bright light. Peace.